Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming eligibility and gathering documents, Aadhaar, passport, or voter ID, because activation needs verified ID. Once done, decide if you want to port an existing number or get a new Bsnl 5G SIM, and check if your Aadhaar is linked for eKYC. This speeds the process. Make sure you have PAN if the outlet asks, and a payment method for the prepaid or postpaid plan you'll choose. You then proceed to the execution step. Go to a Bsnl customer outlet or start online. At the store, ask specifically for a 5G SIM, fill the SIM application and MNP form if porting, and hand over originals for verification. If online, pick a 5G plan, upload clear KYC scans, and choose delivery or pickup. Make sure the agent confirms 5G availability for your area. This prevents surprises. Then get a receipt or application number to track progress. You finish by activating the SIM. Once Bsnl sends the activation SMS or places the activation call, insert the SIM and restart your phone, then look for the 5G indicator. If you don't see service, check APN settings, confirm your phone supports the Bsnl 5G bands, and verify local 5G coverage. If problems persist, ask the store to reprovision the SIM or use the receipt IMEI and SIM serial to escalate with Bsnl customer care.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.